Hello, my name is Tom and I'm a plumber here at Maxwell-White Water Conditioning. When you're dealing with difficult water quality issues, there's a lot to consider when looking for the right kind of water machine. This video series goes through the different options we offer, what the machine does for your water quality, and how it affects your water quality. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about our iron eliminator. I'll tell you what they do and the areas in the Coulee region that need them, the lifespan and the efficiency of the machine, the warranty and the difference between these and our competitors, and finally, how your water quality is affected if you choose to forgo installing one when it's needed. If you are on a private well in the Coulee region, especially in the corridors of Sparta, Holman, West Salem, or Onalaska, you are likely familiar with the symptoms of iron in your water. I'm talking about those stubborn orange and brown rust stains on your sinks, toilets, and bathtubs that just won't scrub off. You might also notice a metallic taste in your drinking water, or even that rotten egg smell, which comes from hydrogen sulfide. These are classic signs that you need an iron eliminator. So what does the machine actually do? In simple terms, an iron eliminator acts as a whole house guard dog for your plumbing. It works by oxidizing dissolved iron, turning it from liquid state into a solid particle, and then capturing those particles in a media bed. Periodically, the machine backwashes to flush all that captured rust down the drain. Modern designs like our Eliminator series do this without messy chemicals or air injectors. They are truly set and forget systems. Regarding lifespan, these are built to last. The filter media inside typically lasts anywhere from 5 to 15 years, depending on how heavy your iron levels are. The mechanical components, like the control valve and tanks, are professional grade and often last 10 to 20 years or more. And here's a huge perk. Many of those modern designs are chemical free. They regenerate using just water and air oxidation, meaning they aren't hauling bags of salt just to treat the iron. We can even install twin tank systems that provide continuous filtered water, so you never have downtime during a regeneration cycle. When comparing this to a big box store option, the difference is night and day. Retail all-in-one units often use smaller tanks and generic media that just can't keep up with the moderate to severe iron levels we see in our region. They restrict your water flow and often fail within a few years. Our capital eliminator systems are engineered for high flow rates and specific local water conditions. They are fully serviceable, meaning if a part wears out, we can fix it rather than you having to throw the whole unit away. What happens if you ignore the problem? Unfortunately, it gets expensive. Beyond the cosmetic damage of your permanent rust stains on your fixtures and laundry, iron buildup will physically clog your plumbing. It ruins faucet aerators and shower heads and valves. It also wreaks havoc on other appliances, fouling the resin in your water softener and coating the inside of your water heater, leading to premature failure. Installing an iron eliminator isn't just about clean water, it's about protecting every other investment in your home. I hope this was helpful and educational. If you've been in need of or considering a water softener for your home, schedule a meeting with us with the link below in the description, or call us at 608-781-8088. Thanks, and we look forward to meeting with you.